These are my big and chunky Guylian seashell cookies. These tasted so good. These are my best cookies to date. And just look at them, they look absolute showstoppers. You will need 135 grams of soft or melted butter, 90 grams of dark Muscovado sugar, 50 grams of granulated sugar. Mix these until all blended. Then add 1 egg. Then 185 grams of plain flour, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 55 grams of cocoa powder. Then add chopped up white chocolate. I just used any chocolate bar. Okay, then once this is all combined, take a ball full of the dough, flatten it out in your hand and add 1 seashell to each little cookie dough. And then wrap it round, securing all the edges, make everything smooth. And then place on your baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake for 12 minutes. Then add a seashell to the centre of each cookie. I did this basically as they came out of the oven. Don't they look gorgeous? Everything really is perfect with these cookies. They do hold their shape in the oven. There's no need to shape again afterwards. They really are a fantastic recipe for perfect cookies.